This is one of the most popular questions amongst those who choose to travel the world while working remotely from their laptops. Digital nomads have the unique opportunity to find a city that is more affordable than their home country. So, they can stretch their salary even further and enjoy a lifestyle with a bit more luxury than they could at home. A lot of people start their journey in the cheapest places for digital nomads. It makes sense, especially when you are just starting to live in places where you can conserve money and get a feel for the lifestyle. So, whether you're looking for the cheapest cities to live as a digital nomad to grow your savings accounts, start your own business, or simply get more for your dollar, you'll want to add these destinations to your travel route. Ubud, Indonesia. There is a very healthy digital nomad community which offers co-working spaces and networking opportunities, not to mention the chance to meet new friends who understand the lifestyle. The area is known for friendly locals, beautiful scenery, and a great vegetarian scene. US, UK, and Canadian citizens can secure a 30-day tourist visa upon arrival, which can be extended an additional 30 days once. For longer visits, you'll need to apply before you arrive. Medellin, Colombia. Colombia has a long reputation for being high in crime, but Medellin's crime rate has been decreasing for a while now, and most of the crime that does exist in Colombia is highly unlikely to affect digital nomads. The Wi-Fi is good, there are many co-working spaces if you prefer to do your work there, and the food is great. Antalya, Turkey. As the popularity has grown, Istanbul didn't make it onto this list because Airbnb prices have gone up significantly. That's why we added the gorgeous coastal town of Antalya, Turkey. You can enjoy swimming in the beach, working from cafes, and making new friends with the growing digital nomad community. The cost of living is only $1,102 for a solo digital nomad. You can expect to use a good chunk of that on your Airbnb rental, otherwise, everything else like eating out, gym and more are very cheap. If you want to live close to the beach, Antalya is one of the cheapest places for digital nomads. Coming up next, you will hear about a top city that has a huge digital nomad community, and it is also very affordable, meaning you can easily grow your wealth there. And we also saved one of the cheapest cities for digital nomads in Western Europe for last. So stay tuned for that, but first like this video and let us know in the comments below what other kinds of questions you have about being a digital nomad, and we'll answer your question in the next video. Chiang Mai, Thailand. This city became a big place for digital nomads because of the cheap cost of living, decent co-working spaces, and a huge digital nomad community. An Airbnb in the popular Nomad area is still very affordable, and you'll get a modern one-bedroom apartment with a kitchen. The value for money in Chiang Mai is just unbeatable. It's one of the cheapest places for digital nomads, and you won't have to sacrifice much of your creature comforts here if you're on a tight budget. Lisbon, Portugal. One of the cheapest cities for digital nomads in Western Europe is Lisbon. You'll find a large community of traveling remote workers in Lisbon thanks to its affordable prices and excellent co-working spaces. There is also plenty to do in Lisbon, and you're right by the ocean, which is great if you enjoy water sports or simply laying by the beach soaking in the sun. Let's also not forget the cuisine in Portugal is absolutely fantastic. You'll definitely eat well while living in Lisbon as a digital nomad. From delicious seafood to port wines and savory sweets, you won't go hungry here. Portugal is one of the first European countries to offer a digital nomad visa, allowing remote workers to live in the country for 2 years. Now, if you want to learn more about best places to live, best places to buy property, and to build wealth in general, make sure you check out these 2 videos right here. I'll see you in the next one.